Hello, today I'm going to show you how to top up your full tank in your Audi A3 or A3 Sportback. Yeah, if you see in the heads-up display this lamp, it is time to head up to the petrol station. Oh yeah, your car will get you there soon. If you get there, the only thing to do is think about your fuel. If you have an unleaded full car, you will need, in Germany it calls, in America it's mid-grade or regular in UK full. So first step is open the cover, then rotate it left turn, and then you're able to get this plug out of it. Yeah, there it is. Now let's head up to the petrol station, and here it is. It is Super 95. That means it is for your car. This is a mid-grade fuel. That means it is unleaded fuels. It's very it is the gasoline what you can dip into it. 95 octane is the minimum thing what is your Audi A3 or S3 is food. Only unleaded food. If you have a diesel engine, you have to get diesel. But this is written inside the cover. So if the pistol is stopped working, that means your tank is full. Here we are. Nearly 50 liters contains this tank in your A3 Sportback. So close the cover and get back on the road again. That it is. Your Audi A3 TFSI engine is able to get E10 too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.